Hi guys, how are you? I'm Dana, welcome to my channel, and as you can see for the title and the thumbnail of this video, this is my first actually recorded personal planner spread. And there I'm just showing you the other ones that I couldn't really upload because something was wrong with them every single time. Maybe the audio is off or the video is damaged or something, like it's just not good. But yeah, this was supposed to be like talk through, but the audio wasn't like perfect, so I thought that maybe I would be able to voice it over better. I'm showing you some stuff that I bought there that is so cute, that little note book. I love marble, if you didn't know that, so yeah. So I'm going to be using the Gohst Flower by Temp Crafts, and I'm gonna use some little I think letter headers from Temp Crafts. I don't know, I'm not seeing anything right now because it says building preview, but that's, yeah. So I'm just showing you right now what is in the actual kit, and yeah, there are the glitter headers, and I don't know if I used them, and then all of those washi that were in one little tube from recollections, not the normal ones but the ones that are in the party section. So yeah, they're a little bit expensive, like more than the normal ones. But of course you can get them at Michael's, and if I actually can find them, then I'll link them below as everything, like as you can get to my social media there and everything. So don't forget to check my Instagram and Amino, because every single plan with me or every single bullet journal stuff that I do, I post it there, and like in Instagram and in Amino. But I just wanted to talk to you about something. I think that video I was talking to you about my boyfriend, but it was kind of like a depressing one, like a depressing talk. But I just wanted to talk to you about I don't know, like some stuff that I have been going through that have been helping me quite a bit. And as you can see, I'm sorry, I'm just changing subject. I have my tea there. I don't know why, but I always have to have a drink when I'm planning or I'm bullet journaling or something. And most of the time you don't really see it, but there, I don't know why you're seeing it. Pretty much I didn't really, I don't know, I didn't really see that you were seeing it. But anyway, so I hope you like the music. I have been changing it quite a bit. Normally I would do the kind of more classical one, and this is kind of more classical upbeat in that sense. So I'll leave the information for the music down below, and because it's not mine, I didn't buy it, it's free, but you know. So I'm just putting the washi in, and I decided to put in the little geometric shape, but the kind of white with blue, because there was the thick one that I wanted to put in, but I think that it would be super, like, a lot. And as you can see there, oh yeah, I did show you that I had my PJs back then, but I had kind of like, I had a lot of stuff to do that week, and it was kind of like 2 weeks ago or something, and I couldn't finish it when I was doing it. So as you can see, I have different clothes, and the first bit that you saw, my PJ that I bet I love you, I love that. That's why I bought it in Women's Secret, I think, and I'll link it below if I find it. You can also get that in my Instagram. I put that long ago, before Christmas even. But yeah, anyway, so I don't know what else I'm gonna tell you. But yeah, so I decided to instead of using those sheets that I printed off of Stick With Me shop, that I'll link below either, I'm gonna use those ones, the dog grid that came in the Recollections planner, and I really like those. They are such a good quality of paper, and I just like to do the days horizontally. Normally I would like a vertical layout, but I thought that I could try something new. So yeah, I think that's pretty much all that I wanted to say about the paper. If you want the kit, I will link it below, and everything that you see in this video, like all the supplies, my favorite pen, and the washi and everything. So now let's get into something that is kind of more I don't know, like serious in the subject. Sometimes I think that planning doesn't really help me that much. I just really am inspired by, or really happy that I can relax and put stickers on, even though I depend 100% in my bullet journal, and I don't really plan because of, or in my iron content on my recollections because I want to or I need to plan. I just do it because it's fun for me. But you know, I have been loving my bullet journal, and I haven't really been using that much my iron content on my recollections. This was maybe 2-3 weeks ago. But anyway, if you want to see more of this kinds of videos, then I'll try and do that. So yes. So I wanted to talk to you about my shop stuff. I'm not gonna be able to do this month. I put in my Instagram and everywhere that I was gonna open my shop in January, but it's already February 2nd and I haven't done that. I have been really having a hard time with designing the kits and everything, and it's more because I'm not that inspired to do them as much. Yeah, I'm talking there about a book that I'm reading, and it's so good. I'll link it below too, and it is, I have it here actually, I was just reading it. It's 1984 by George Orwell. It's kind of like a look into what it could be, in the sense of it's kind of like a deep book, but it's kind of like the government, kind of like maybe I shouldn't say this, but I'll leave the link to it below, and you can just read the the back of it and see what it's about, because maybe this, the book is kind of like a weird subject for this video. But yeah, I really enjoy that little book. I have read it 2 times, like this is the 2nd time that I'm reading it, and I would 100% recommend it to open your eyes and know what is happening, or what will be happening maybe in a couple of years. So yeah, I'm just cutting some stickers. I don't know, I'm not really into telling you exactly what I'm doing. It's kind of like, you can see that. But anyway, I think I'm gonna go ahead and just let you listen to the music and do your own thing. Don't forget to click the like and share with your friends, and I hope you're planning with me or just studying and putting me in the background. And I hope you're comfy and you have a snack, or you're planning with me while I'm doing this. I hope you have a great day wherever you are in the world, and I'll be seeing you in the next one. Bye! forget to click the subscribe and click the notification bell to watch all the videos right when I post them. Bye!